A party with Cardi a body in a Rari. Diamonds all over my body, shining all over my body. Cardi got your bitch on Molly.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be a review on my Boxy Premium box. Oh, by the way, my name is Mikkel. I always seem to forget to say that my name is Mikkel. Okay, but anyways, so I usually get both my boxes at the same time, my base box, my Boxy Premium, and my Boxy Luxe. But well, it's not a Boxy Luxe month. I think that's next month, but I didn't get my base box yet. It says it's supposed to come Monday when this video is supposed to be going up. So there will be two Boxycharm videos, one about the premium and then one about just the base box. And depending on how long it takes me to edit this one, then I might post the base box Wednesday, because I'm posting this eye look Friday. So if you want to see how I got this amazing eye look, then you have to watch my video that's going to be up Friday, probably around 12 o'clock. I'm gonna try to post all my videos at 12 o'clock just to be consistent. But if you want to see what's going to be in this box, stay tuned. To be honest with you, I already know what's in the box because I wanted to use some of the stuff to like do a first impression on this face as well, which I might insert some of the clips into this, and or we'll see how this goes. But and then this card right here tells you what's all up in the box and all the prices and stuff like that. Now on the back, ooh, 55% off your next order for Misguided. Wait, what? Wait, let me stop showing y'all that because I'm gonna use that code. I'm gonna use that. That is nice. Boxy Perks. Boxy Perks. I think got some more codes in here too. Put that down. Okay. So first I'm gonna go through the stuff that I already used on my face. I use these brushes. It's a 3-piece brush set, and they were all wrapped up, but I obviously took them out since I used them on my face. It's these 3 brushes, and yes, they're dirty because I already done used them. They're like these nice little brushes. And then I believe you pronounce it Opulent Beauty. Correct me if I'm wrong. I'm sorry if I pronounced it wrong, but yeah. On the other side, but it says it on, you can't really see it. It says it on this side, and on the other side it says what the brush is for. And this, it just says flathead. So I use this to blend out my foundation, and you see it, flawless. And then for this brush, it just says powder, and I used it to, you know, blend my powder away. And then this one said, where'd it go? It just says bullet. I don't know what bullet mean, but I used it to get the powder from under my eye and around my nose and stuff, my chin and my forehead. But so far, I like the brushes. They're really, really soft. Let's get into some information about the brushes. Let me go into it. Where is it? It's Opulent Beauty Crystal Clear 3-piece brush collection. And it retails for $40. And I believe there's cruelty free. Yeah, it's ultra soft, cruelty free. Great. And they're really, really soft. And they cost $40. So basically, next thing I used on this look, before I put my lashes on, I had used this mascara. Don't know if you can really see it with my ring light, but it's Wander's Beauty Mild High Club Volume and Length Mascara. And so far, I can see a difference when I put it on, but at the same time, I don't really just wear my regular lashes really. So I'm gonna have to try this one. I'm just doing just a natural look. But I also use this before I put my lashes on in my other video. And from this box, that's all I use because basically the last couple things in here are skincare related. So, oh, and by the way, that retailed for how much? $26. And one swipe is all you need for sky-high lashes with this volumizing and lengthening mascara. Oh, I also use it on my lower lashes too, if that helps. Okay, up is going to be this Juicy Beauty, the organic solution. I can't pronounce nothing, but it's a liquid lip in the shade Chelsea, 24 Chelsea. Y'all can't see that. Okay, Chelsea. Oh, the packaging looks nice. Dun, dun. Excuse my broken nail. Quarantine, I can't get them done. And okay, I'm gonna put this right here on my side. Oh, that's like a maroonish red, a dark maroon. I can't speak today. And it feels very moisturizing. That's how the color looks. I did honestly try to do a look based off this lip, and it didn't turn out too well. And not because of the lip, but just because the eye didn't turn out that well. So that's why I didn't use it in the video. It didn't match the eye. But that retails for $24, and it feels like a soft lip balm to touch. Applies like a silk liquid lipstick and wears like a lip stain. And also, I do got other products from them, I believe from Boxycharm. If it's not from Boxycharm, it's from either Boxylux or FabFitFun. But next up, let's go with these. This is Lavido, inspired by nature. I probably pronounced that wrong too. Sorry. And it has grapefruit seed, melissa, and avocado. Who Melissa? Who is she? Okay, but it also age away replenishing cream. It's supposed to firm, hydrate, and repair. Oh, I think Melissa is this flower or plant, whatever this is right there. Okay, let me open it up. Ow, I hurt my nail. I'm trying to hurry up because I'm running out of storage on my phone. Okay, so it's this little cute little bottle. Yeah, let me see if it has a smell. Instruction says using circular motions, massage this deeply nourishing, aging defying moisture cream into slightly damp, freshly cleaned skin until absorb. And it's for daily use. I'm not gonna open it yet because I might give this away or something. But put that back in the box. I like to keep my stuff in their packagings. I don't know why, but even though it just takes up more space, I still do it anyway. And that retails for, where'd it go? $69. For the people who buy, oh, Boxycharm not worth it. I just got a $69 age away replenishing cream, basically for free, for the free 99. Next, let's go with this. I have got a product from them before. Honestly, I haven't used it. Cause when I be getting so much stuff, I don't end up using it. And with skincare, I'm really scared to put stuff on my body and my face when it comes to skincare. I mean, if I can get this open. Like I don't be like I said, I don't want to mess up my packages. But the last time I put something on my skin to test it out, I broke out in hives everywhere, and I have them all over my neck. It was on the side of my face, and my chest, my legs. Hot ass mess. Okay, I can't open this. I'm not trying to break a damn nail, so I'm gonna have to mess up the box. Oh, on the back of it, it also says you can't read that. Made exclusively for Boxycharm. So if you want this, I believe you gotta go to Boxycharm website and be a member to buy. I don't know if you can buy if you're not a member. I don't think so. But oh, this looks so cute. This is some bomb packaging with this little. Oh, okay. Ain't gonna lose that. This is a honey potion. I love me some honey. Renewing antioxidants hydration mask. This is like you can scrape it out with it. Oh, and it has one of those little pull tabs. I like to smell stuff. Doesn't really have a strong smell. It has a smell, but not a strong smell. I don't know. And then I guess you just take this. Oh, it's like a jelly consistency. I don't know why you can't even see from that far. But okay. I can't wait to try these. With this packaging is the sheet. I don't know if I can curse. But okay, put that back. I probably won't keep this in the packaging just because it's cute on its own without the packaging. And then lastly for my box, wait, I didn't see how much that costs. That retails for $38. Cha-ching. Okay. And lastly is this the Good Acid Pore Toner. Ooh. It's supposed to gently exfoliate plus balance. I actually don't own a toner, so I might have to give this a try. But at the same time, I have to try like over here in the corner just in case that little one little spot break out. You can't just cover my head over it. You're gonna be able to see it. My whole toners are toners. A whole tone. You know what I mean. I heard they're good for helping with dark marks on your face. Oh, this bottle look cute. Ooh. This bottle is cute, y'all. Like, I just want to sit this on my dresser. This is just cute. But I might give it a try. It looked like, I don't know, it looked like up in person, it looks like some juice, like some blue juice, but like some good looking.
What?
Juice.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I don't know how to describe, but on camera it don't look like that. But it looks cute. The bottle's nice. Oh, I gotta wait till I get some cotton swabs, cause looks like, or get one of those little face thingies, cause you like gotta do that and then do that. But I'll probably give this a try because I don't own any toners, so probably give that a try and keep this without the packaging as well because it's cute on its own. And then that retails for how much? Where'd it go? $39. Cha-ching! And I'll put the total of the entire box somewhere on here. But okay, that was the entire box. I actually like this box. It's nice. I don't mean like I don't like none of my boxes. I always love my boxes. They always give me something new that I don't have. But sometimes they give me the same lip color over and over again. But this time they stopped giving me them pinky colors and gave me a red color. But so far, so good. I love everything that's in the box. I wish I had my other box, but y'all gotta wait for that video. But yeah. So that was the unboxing of my Boxy Premium. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe. Turn the notification bell on to see all my videos. I'm going to try to upload every Monday and Friday at 12 p.m. 12 p.m. through 1 p.m. And at least once a week. I'm going to try and stick to that. And my goal is to have 1,000 subscribers by next year. So hopefully I can make it to that. But thank you guys for watching. And oh, also happy Easter.